Imagine a machine so advanced that it can heal itself, think, move, and feel God. In this video, we're going to explore the anatomy of the human body, how different organs and systems work together to keep you alive every second of your life.
Your body isn't just one system. It's a complex network of organs, tissues, and cells, all communicating constantly to maintain balance and survival.
Scientists divide the body into 11 major organ systems, each performing a specific job, but none of them can work alone. The skeletal system is your body's hidden framework. It provides support, protection. This intricate structure keeps you upright and active. Imagine if your body had no bones. You wouldn't be able to stand, walk, or even hold your phone. In this video, we're going to explore the skeletal system, how bones work, why they're stronger than steel, and how they constantly rebuild themselves to keep you alive and moving. Most people think bones are just hard, lifeless structures, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Bones are living tissue, and if you ignore their health...
In this video, we're diving back to the muscle system, how incredible system is one organism ever created.
Most people think muscles are only for strength or bodybuilding, but the truth is, muscles control every movement in your body, from pumping blood to digesting food. Without muscles, your heart couldn't pump blood, your lungs couldn't breathe, and your body couldn't move even an inch. The muscular system is the force behind every action you take. The muscular system is a network of muscle tissues that allow the body to move, maintain posture, and circulate blood. The human body contains 3 major types of muscles, and each one has a unique role. Skeletal muscles attach to bones and allow voluntary movement. You control them consciously, like with these arm muscles, also in your legs and face. Smooth muscles work automatically, controlling internal organs like the stomach and intestines. You don't have to think about them, they just work. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. It contracts continuously, pumping blood throughout the body for your entire life. Muscles move by contracting and relaxing. But here's the interesting part. Muscles can only pull, they can't push. That's why they work in pairs.
Most people think the heart is the whole story. But the cardiovascular system is a massive transportation network delivering oxygen and nutrients to trillions of cells.
Today, we'll break it down step by step, from the heart's pumping power to the vast network of blood vessels that stretch over 60,000 miles inside your body. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium, then moves to the right ventricle, where it picks up oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium, then flows into the left ventricle, which pumps blood to the entire body. The highways of the body. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart under high pressure. Their thick elastic walls allow them to handle powerful blood flow. Capillaries are tiny microscopic vessels where the real exchange happens. Oxygen and nutrients leave the blood and enter cells. Finally, veins bring blood back to the heart. Unlike arteries, they have valves that prevent blood from flowing backward. But what exactly is flowing through these vessels? That's blood, a powerful liquid made of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells transport oxygen using a protein called hemoglobin, essentially acting as delivery trucks for your body. White blood cells protect you from infections, acting as the immune system's soldiers. Platelets help stop bleeding by forming clots whenever a blood vessel is damaged. Platelets help stop bleeding by forming clots whenever a blood vessel is damaged. They wrap together at the injury, creating a plug that seals the leak. The pulmonary circulation moves blood between the heart and lungs to pick up oxygen. The systemic regular exercise strengthens the heart, healthy food keeps arteries clear, and hydration helps blood flow efficiently. Small lifestyle choices can dramatically improve your health. AI and wearables monitor our hearts, predicting problems before they start. The heart becomes one of the most monitored systems in medicine. Your cardiovascular system works every second, every minute, every day, without you even noticing. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system branches out to connect with the body. Every second, billions of electrical signals race through your body, controlling your thoughts, invisible movements, and even your heartbeats. The nervous system is your body's control center, letting you think, feel, move, and react in milliseconds. Imagine touching a hot stove. You instantly pull your hand away. That reaction is controlled by your nervous system. The nervous system is your body's communication highway, sending signals between the brain, spinal cord, and organs. The 2 main parts of the nervous system. To understand how it works, we need to break the nervous system into 2 major components. First is the central nervous system, or CNS. This includes the brain and the spinal cord. Think of it as the command center where all information is processed and decisions are made. These nerves connect the brain and spinal cord to the rest of your body, carrying messages back and forth like an information highway. Meet the brain, the most complex organ in the human body, containing around 86 billion neurons. The cerebrum controls thinking, memory, and voluntary movement, and the brainstem controls automatic functions like breathing. The spinal cord acts like a super fast cable connecting the brain to the rest of the body. It transmits signals between your brain and your muscles, organs, and skin. Sometimes, the spinal cord acts even faster than the brain. In reflex actions, the signal goes directly through. At the microscopic level, the nervous system works using special cells called neurons. These cells transmit electrical signals across the body. Each neuron has dendrites that receive signals, a cell body that processes them, and an axon that sends messages to other neurons. Section title: Automatic Control System. Your nervous system also controls many things automatically without you thinking about them. This part is called the autonomic nervous system, and it manages vital processes like breathing, heart rate, digestion, and blood pressure. When you feel scared or stressed, the sympathetic nervous system activates the famous fight or flight response. The parasympathetic nervous system does the opposite. It helps your body relax, recover, and conserve energy. Every thought you have, every memory you create, and every movement you make depends on this remarkable network. The nervous system truly is the body's master control system, processing information faster than any computer ever built. The digestive system is like a long food processing factory. It includes the mouth, the esophagus, more intestine. Digestion begins in the mouth. When you chew food, your teeth break it into small carbohydrates while saliva food leaves your mouth. After swallowing, food travels through a muscular tube called the esophagus. A wave-like movement called peristalsis pushes the food downward into the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes break food into a semi-liquid mixture called chymosin. Next, the food moves into the small intestine, the real star of digestion. Here, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. What remains after nutrients are absorbed moves into the large intestine. Its job is to absorb water and form solid waste that will eventually leave the body.
Now let's talk about the excretory system, your body's waste management system. This system removes toxins, excess water, and metabolic waste from the body.
The kidneys act like ultra-advanced filters. Every day, they filter about 50 gallons of blood, removing waste products and extra fluids to produce urine. Urine travels through two thin tubes called the ureters into the urinary bladder, where it is stored until the body is ready to release it. Together, one system extracts nutrients from food, while the other removes harmful waste to keep the body balanced. To keep these systems healthy, remember 3 simple habits: eat fiber-rich foods, drink plenty of water, and stay physically active. Your body is an incredible machine, and understanding how it works is the first step toward protecting your health. The respiratory system facilitates gas exchange, bringing in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Breathing happens through 2 processes. In an exhalation, diaphragm relaxer, pushing carbon dioxide out.
Inside your lungs are about 300 million alveoli are exchanged, an area the size of a tennis court.
Your cells use oxygen to create energy in a process called cellular respiration. Without this oxygen, the integumentary system protects the body. It includes the skin, hair, and glands. Glands regulate temperature and moisture. Now let's move to the largest organ in the human body, your skin. Together, these structures form the body's first line of defense. Your skin has 3 main layers. The dermis is the vessel and glands. The hypodermis stores fat. Your skin acts like a biological shield. It also helps control microorganisms through sweating and blood flow. Even though these systems have different roles, they work together constantly. Meanwhile, the skin protects your internal organs. Your respiratory and integumentary systems may seem simple, but they are in perfect balance that keeps you alive and healthy. Imagine a hidden communication network inside your body, sending thousands of chemical messages every second. Today, we explore the endocrine system, the powerful network of glands controlling your body, and why this system is essential for survival. Why does stress make me gain weight and feel so tired? The answer lies in hormones, tiny messengers from endocrine glands. Hormones are like emails sent through your bloodstream. Your body uses blood vessels, not Wi-Fi. Let's start with the major endocrine glands. The system includes the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas, each gland releasing different parts of your body. The hypothalamus acts at this changes and instructs the pituitary gland to release hormones that regulate other glands across the body. Next is the thyroid gland, located in your neck. It releases hormones that regulate metabolism. Too little slows everything down. The adrenal glands release adrenaline and cortisol, preparing your body for the fight or flight response. The pancreas releases insulin and glucagon, which without them, glucose control fails, leading to diabetes. Deep inside the brain is the pineal gland, which produces melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. Reproductive glands, the ovaries and testes, produce hormones like estrogen and testosterone. One fascinating feature of the endocrine system is feedback control. When hormone levels rise too high, the good news is that lifestyle choices can support endocrine. Proper sleep, vasodilation, help your hormones stay balanced and functioning properly. Welcome. Today we explore the lymphatic and immune systems, your body's vital defenders. You'll discover how work to defend you. Every day, billions of harmful microbes try to invade your body. Without protection, these microbes could quickly make you sick. Luckily, your body has a powerful defense network that detects, attacks, and destroys these invaders before they cause harm. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels that transport a clear fluid called lymph. This fluid contains infection-fighting white blood cells. Lymph fluid flows through tiny vessels, collecting bacteria, viruses, and toxins, which are filtered out before they can spread it. Along these vessels are small structures called lymph nodes. Think of them as security checkpoints where immune cells scan the lymph fluid for dangerous invaders. When you're sick, lymph nodes often swell. That's because millions of immune cells are gathering there to fight infection. Now let's talk about the immune system, the body's defense army. It is made of specialized cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and eliminate pathogens. Macrophages involve bacteria. T cells and B cells attack the invaders. The immune system in action. Macrophages are like security guards. They patrol the body, detect foreign invaders, and literally swallow and destroy them. T cells help coordinate the immune response and destroy infected cells. B cells produce antibodies, special protein-specific pathogens. These antibodies act like smart missiles. Once they identify a virus, they mark it for destruction by other immune cells. The immune system has an amazing ability: memory. After the first exposure, it remembers the pathogen and destroys the pathogen much faster. This is exactly how vaccines work. They train the immune system to recognize dangerous microbes without causing the disease itself. Sleep, hydration, nutrition, and exercise all support a strong immune system. Together, the lymphatic and immune systems form an incredible defense network that protects your body every second of every day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The future of learning isn't just human, it's human plus AI.